कभी आपके साथ ऐसा हुआ है? आपको इंग्लिश समझ आती है, आपको जवाब भी पता होता है, लेकिन जैसे ही बोलने की बारी आती है आप बिल्कुल चुप हो जाते हैं और बाद में सोचते हैं ये तो मुझे आता था, फिर मैं बोल क्यों नहीं पाया। अगर आपके साथ भी ऐसा होता है तो प्रॉब्लम आपकी इंग्लिश नहीं है और ना ही आपकी वोकेबुलरी कम है। इसके पीछे एक हिडन रीजन है जिसके बारे में ज्यादा लोग बात ही नहीं करते और इसी वजह से बहुत सारे इंग्लिश लर्नर्स सालों तक कॉन्फिडेंटली बोल ही नहीं पाते। इस वीडियो में मैं आपको वही हिडन रीजन बताऊंगी और उससे कैसे ओवरकम करना है स्टेप बाय स्टेप एक्सप्लेन करूंगी। तो वीडियो को एंड तक जरूर देखिए क्योंकि हो सकता है आज के बाद आपका इंग्लिश बोलने का नजरिया ही बदल जाए। हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू इंग्लिश विद स्वाति। Many learners don't realize this, but every English conversation feels like an exam. The moment someone asks you a simple question, your brain immediately starts thinking, what if I say something wrong? What if they judge my English? What if I don't understand their reply? Notice what's happening? Instead of focusing on the conversation, you're focusing on your performance. But here's the truth. English conversation is not an exam. It's simply two people sharing ideas. The moment you stop trying to pass the test, speaking becomes much easier. Here's another mistake many learners make. While the other person is speaking, you're already preparing your answer. You're searching for words, thinking about grammar, planning for next sentence, and because your brain is busy preparing a reply, you don't fully listen to what the other person is saying. As a result, you get confused. Remember this. Good speakers are not just good talkers. They're excellent listeners. When you truly listen, speaking becomes much more natural. Many people say I'll start when I become confident. But confidence doesn't come before speaking. It comes because of speaking. Think about riding a bicycle. Did confidence come before your first ride? No, it came after falling, practicing, and improving. English works exactly the same way. Action creates confidence, not the other way around. One of the biggest confidence killers is comparison. You watch someone speaking fluent English on YouTube, you compare yourself to them. Then you think, I'll never speak like that. But what you don't see is their years of practice. You're comparing your beginning with someone else's experience. And that's simply not fair to yourself. The only person you should compare yourself with is yesterday's version of you. Many learners say, I want to speak like a native speaker. But that's not the right goal. Your goal isn't to sound native. Your goal is to communicate clearly. If people understand you, you can express your ideas, you're already succeeding. Because clear communication is far more valuable than a perfect accent. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to English with Swati. I'll see you in the next video. Keep learning, keep smiling.